Insert the connecting wire of the roller. Place the roller under the machine. Insert the roller connecting wire into the roller of the machine. Insert the power cord, Type B cable, with the other end plugged into the computer's USB port. Turn on the device and wait for the indicator light to remain on. Cut the colored paper and soak it in water for 30 seconds. Stick the colored paper on the surface of the glass and ensure a smooth fit. Insert the roller auxiliary accessory and put it into the glass cup. Adjust the height to make the glass level. Connect carving machine. Open the roller settings interface and set the roller configuration parameters. Import carved images. Rotate the image to align its orientation with the cup opening direction. Change size. Move the image, click Preview, adjust the carving position. Modify carving parameters. Adjust the laser height and focus the laser. Click to start carving.